Hello everyone. Recently, Dump Site Remediation Accelerated Program DRAP has been launched. It is a year-long initiative under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. It is to achieve the goal of Lakshya zero dump sites by September 2026. This Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 is launched in 2021 with two main objectives. The first one is to have a garbage-free cities, and the second one is remediation of all the legacy dump sites. This is being conducted by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and this will be concentrating and giving high priority to the legacy waste. This is being conducted by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and would be concentrating and giving high priority to the legacy waste. Now, what is the legacy waste? It is an aged municipal solid waste present from many years, containing both partially or completely decomposed materials. There are some concerns with this legacy waste. The first one is the leachate. Leachate is the polluted water which accumulates below the dump site. That is, the materials in this dump site would release some liquids which would get accumulated on the floor, then penetrate into the groundwater. The second main concern is the landfill gas. That is the mix of carbon dioxide and methane, which is deadly harmful. Now, what should we do to manage it? The first one is the biocapping. Biocapping means the transformation of the dump site, the wasteland, into a natural environment like park. After converting it into a natural environment, there would be a requirement of maintenance of 15 years so that the leachate and the landfill gas do not pollute the natural environment. The second technique to manage is biomining. In this, we would be taking the microorganisms to extract the materials of economic interest. Now, do let me know in the comment section which ministry is implementing Swachh Bharat Mission Rural. Thank you.